Gazelles are herbivorous mammals typically found in various regions of Asia, Africa, and Europe. Here are some basic facts about gazelles. Gazelles are generally slender and graceful animals, characterized by long, slender legs, short tails, and horns. Males are often larger than females and have more prominent horns. Gazelles are found in different species and subspecies, including the European gazelle, red deer, somber deer, dik-dik, nilgai, and others. They are commonly found in various habitats such as forests, grasslands, shrublands, and savannas. Gazelles are herbivores and typically feed on grasses, leaves, buds, and other plant materials. Their feeding habits may vary depending on the season and the region they inhabit. Gazelles usually mate at specific times, and females generally give birth to a single offspring. The young gazelles typically stay with their mothers and are cared for by them for a period of time. Gazelles are threatened by habitat loss, hunting, and human interaction. Some gazelle species are endangered or under protection. Therefore, conservation projects and management efforts play an important role in gazelle conservation. Gazelles are an integral part of natural ecosystems and play a significant role in many ecosystems. Mountain goats are found in different species and subspecies. Some popular mountain goat species include the ibex, mountain goat, marker, and tar. Mountain goats generally have strong and agile structures. They can easily climb rocky terrains and maintain balance on steep slopes. Their horns are usually large and may be more prominent in males. Their coloration and patterns can vary between species. Mountain goats primarily feed on grasses, herbs, leaves, shoots, and other vegetative materials. Their feeding habits can vary depending on their habitat and the season. Mountain goats are typically found in high-altitude mountainous regions. They inhabit mountain systems such as the European Alps, the Himalayas, the Carpathians, the Caucasus, and the Rocky Mountains. Due to their presence in rugged and inaccessible habitats, mountain goats can be difficult to track. Mountain goats usually breed during mating seasons. Females typically give birth to a single offspring, although twins are rarely seen. The young usually stay with their mothers and are protected by them for a period of time. Some mountain goat species face threats such as habitat loss, hunting, and human interaction. Therefore, many mountain goat species are considered endangered and are under protection. Mountain goats are symbolic and important parts of mountainous regions. Eagles are generally large, powerful, and striking birds of prey, belonging to the family Accipitridae, often referred to as eagles. They typically have large bodies, long wings, and strong talons. They are commonly recognized by their white heads, yellow or brown bodies, and large, sharp beaks. Eagles primarily feed on fish, birds, mammals, and sometimes reptiles. When hunting, they often catch their prey by soaring from high altitudes or diving from elevated positions. Some eagle species also scavenge at landfills or feed on carcasses of other animals. Eagles typically prefer open areas, coastlines, forests, and mountainous regions. Different eagle species are found worldwide and can adapt to varying climate conditions depending on their habitats. Eagles are usually monogamous and faithful birds. They often build large nests in high places, such as trees or cliffs. Females usually lay a single egg, and both parents participate in raising the chicks. Some eagle species face threats such as habitat loss, hunting, chemical pollutants, and human interaction. Therefore, many eagle species are under protection and conservation projects. Eagles play an important role as powerful predators in natural ecosystems. Additionally, they hold symbolic significance in many cultures and are frequently used in national emblems, flags, and other symbols. Koalas are an iconic mammal species native to Australia, living in eucalyptus trees. Koalas are generally small, round-eared, large-nosed animals. They typically have sturdy and muscular body structures. They have plush brown fur, which helps them camouflage among tree branches. Koalas consume eucalyptus leaves as their primary food source. Eucalyptus leaves are nutritious and high in water content, meeting most of koalas' daily water needs. Koalas are usually found along the eastern and southeastern coastlines of Australia, particularly in Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, and South Australia. Eucalyptus forests are the primary component of koalas' habitats. Koalas typically breed between March and May. Females give birth to a single offspring and carry their young in their pouches. The jodi stay in the pouch for about 6 months before becoming independent. Koalas face threats such as habitat loss, land development, vehicle collisions, and wildfires. Therefore, koala populations are protected under local and national conservation efforts. Many regions have koala conservation programs and rehabilitation centers. Koalas are considered a symbolic part of Australia. They are not only popular tourist attractions but also significant symbols of Australia's national identity. Koalas are beloved animals worldwide for their unique appearance and lifestyle. However, ongoing efforts are needed to preserve their natural habitats and combat threats they face. The term llama refers to a type of herbivorous mammal living in the mountainous regions of South America, typically found in the Andes Mountains. Llamas encompass animals classified under the genus Llama, including alpacas, guanacos, vicuñas, and llamas themselves. Here is some information about these llama species. Alpaca is a type of llama species found in the high mountains of South America. They are bred for their wool, which is used in fabric production. Alpaca wool is known for being lightweight, warm, and soft. Guanaco is a llama species found in the Andes Mountains. It is a wild species and is typically found in mountainous and semi-arid regions. Guanacos are herbivores and feed on grasses. Vicuña is one of the smallest llama species and is found in the wild in the high mountains of South America. Vicuña wool is considered a luxurious material, known for being fine, soft, and valuable in the garment industry. Llama is a llama species found in the Andes Mountains of South America, which has been domesticated. Llamas are bred for their wool, meat, and transportation abilities. Traditionally, they are significant animals for indigenous peoples of the Andes and are used for various purposes. Llamas play an important role in the cultures of indigenous peoples in the Andes Mountains and are economically valuable. Traditionally, llama wool and meat have been utilized and are still significant food and textile sources in South America. Additionally, llamas are popular animals in tourism and are a common sight for visitors. Crocodiles are generally reptiles with long, flat, and powerful body structures. On average, their length can range from 1 to 7 meters. Larger crocodile species can reach lengths of up to 6 meters. Their skins are tough and thick, providing armor-like protection against external impacts. Crocodiles typically inhabit warm climates and are found in aquatic or semi-aquatic environments. They may prefer freshwater, saltwater, or even some degree of terrestrial habitats. These aquatic habitats include rivers, lakes, swamps, and wetlands. Crocodiles can be found in regions such as Africa, Asia, Australia, and America. Crocodiles generally hunt by wading in water or hiding submerged, then swiftly capturing their prey either by crawling rapidly or making a sudden leap. They are ambush predators, relying on surprise and stealth to catch their prey. Crocodiles are egg-laying reptiles. Females usually bury their eggs in sand or under vegetation. The number of eggs varies from species to species but typically ranges from 10 to 60. Once hatched, the females usually do not provide parental care, and the young crocodiles must fend for themselves. Crocodiles come in various species and sizes. Some popular crocodile species include the American crocodile, Nile crocodile, saltwater crocodile, and gharial. Crocodiles play an essential role in ecosystems and are protected in some areas. However, they face threats such as habitat loss, overhunting, and human-crocodile interactions. Pandas are considered one of the most adorable and charming animals in the world. They are recognized by their large, black and white bodies and round faces. They move slowly and are typically known for feeding on bamboo leaves. Bamboo is the main food source for pandas. They consume large quantities of bamboo daily and are often found exclusively in bamboo forests. Bamboo leaves and stems are easily consumed by them due to their large teeth and powerful jaws. Pandas are rare animals facing the threat of extinction. Main threats include habitat loss, poaching, and conflicts with humans. Therefore, the conservation of pandas and their habitats is extremely important. The conservation of pandas is of great importance at both national and international levels. The Chinese government has initiated several conservation programs to protect panda habitats and increase their populations. Additionally, various organizations worldwide are making efforts to conserve pandas and restore their habitats. Pandas typically build nests in trees or caves. They construct their nests with bamboo leaves and branches and usually live solitary lives, popular among children and adults. Pandas have gained popularity worldwide and have won the hearts of many people. They frequently appear in toys, cartoons, and movies, captivating both children and adults alike. Pandas are an important symbol in Chinese culture and are recognized as the national symbol of China. They have been protected in China for a long time and are carefully preserved in national parks and conservation areas. Lions are among the most impressive creatures in nature. Known for their large bodies, broad shoulders, and powerful muscle structures, they are truly magnificent animals. An adult male lion can reach lengths of around 2.5 meters and weigh between 200 to 250 kilograms. Females are generally slightly smaller than males, but they are still quite powerful and impressive. Lions have a social structure, and family bonds are highly important to them. Their families are called prides, and typically consist of several females, cubs, and a few males. Prides work together to protect their territory and hunting grounds. When it comes to hunting, lions often employ a strategy. They frequently collaborate to catch their prey and often launch surprise attacks. Females are usually more successful hunters due to their speed and agility. They follow a strategic plan when tracking larger prey and often move in groups. Lions can produce various sounds, with the roar being the most well-known. Roaring is used to assert dominance over other animals or communicate with their families. Additionally, lions can produce sounds like growls, grunts, and meows. Lions typically rest during the day and become active for hunting at night. While resting, they often gather together and cuddle, strengthening their family bonds and feeling safer together. They primarily inhabit the savannas of Africa and certain regions of India. Lions thrive in dry, hot climates and are often found in open grasslands, and sometimes even forested areas. They are more commonly found in areas with abundant food sources and easy access to water. Overall, lions are among the most fascinating and impressive creatures in nature.